Greetings to you on this holiday Sunday. A special episode of Brickskill Studio is coming at you right now. Welcome back to Brickskill Studio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me today on our special episode to celebrate Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. So today we are going to be assembling the new Star Wars logo set. This is a cool little set. It makes a great display piece, and it went together really quick and a lot of really cool techniques. So let's get into the build. Once again, may the 4th be with you. We have set number 75407 with 700 pieces. This is the Star Wars logo. And let's take a look at the back of the box. Mine got a little damaged, but hopefully everything will be all right inside. So let's take a look. All right, so it looks like, looks like we have 6 bags and 2 manuals. So let me get this all organized and I'll be right back. All right, so here we have 2 manuals. So we open up here. Some information on the logo and the partnership between Lego and Star Wars. And then we just get right into the build. So let's get started. Okay, that is the end of bag number 1. So it looks like we have the start of some letters here, like the A. So yeah, some very interesting techniques so far, especially with these little, well, now I can't get it out, but these little clip-ins, the way that they just clip in to those sort of barrel pieces. We've seen that before. So very cool there. So on to bag number 2. Okay, that is the end of bag number 3. And we clearly have a letter here. I'm sorry, that's the end of bag number 2. So let's move on to bag number 3. All right, that's the end of bag 3, and that is also the end of book number 1. So we have Star. Very cool. All right, so next we'll be moving on to book number 2 and bag number 4, where we'll be working on the wars. right, that's the end of bag 4. So you can see we have the start of the W, the A, and we're going to have an R and another S here. So let's get on to bag number 5. All right, that's the end of bag number 5. So we have the R and the S. So let's move on to bag number 6. All right, that is the end of bag number 6, and that is the finished Star Wars. Okay, here is the finished Star Wars. I love how this comes together. It's a pretty simple build. I love all the SNOT technique and the way that they get the curves and the angles. I mean, it really is awesome the way that this goes together. A fun little build. There is a little Easter egg up here. So that's very cool. But this will look great on a shelf for sure, along with your other Star Wars sets. So definitely recommend picking this one up. I believe it's $59.99 and it is 700 pieces. All right, that was the Star Wars logo build. So I'm excited to get this on my Star Wars shelf. I'm not sure if I'm going to display it with my Grogu, BB-8. So I'm not sure if I'll display it with those guys or I'll display it with Chewbacca, C-3PO, and R2-D2. I am not sure yet. I hope you did enjoy this build. Comment down below. Did you pick up anything special for May 4th? There was a lot of interesting Star Wars sets that came out to commemorate May 4th and some pretty good sales. There was some also double insider points and some quadruple insider points. So let me know down below if you took advantage of any of those. And be sure to stay tuned for Tuesday. We have another Optimus Prime build, and then Thursday, another Titanic. So until we see each other again, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and may the 4th be with you, and I'll see you soon.